All right, let's look really quickly at NVDA. NVDA it's very pattern driven, so I will not be surprised if we see some type of a pullback here shortly. So let's look at the monthly chart first. If we pull back to our previous monthly candle, that's going to sit about that 158 area. So we could pull back to that test and then bounce. If we pull back further, we could pull back to this double top right here at that 153. So that's a couple areas I'll be watching for if we do get a pullback. Looking at the weekly chart, you can see we've just been in this beautiful push higher, beautiful channel for quite some time. If you look left historically, we get the same thing, right? We get a new high, we push, then we start to pull back sideways, we push, we pull back sideways and down again, and then we finally get that break above the previous high. So we broke above the previous high here and ripped about 10 points. So we broke above the previous high here and did it again. We ripped about 10 points. So I am just keeping in mind that we could see continuation. NVIDIA does like to move once it finally starts moving, but we could get a pullback. We've had a lot of green weeks through here. So just keep that in mind. Looking at our daily chart, I love how we've bounced between this channel. We need to hold 157 to hold our current uptrend. And that lines up really nicely with that 158-ish right around here. So 158, 157 is the area if we do get that pullback, and then we can potentially set up for a bounce there as well. So keep that in mind moving into next week. Let's just see which way NVIDIA goes, if we get a continuation to just a little bit of a pullback some more before we do get another push.